Here we are in West End, Negril, Jamaica. Let us explore our beautiful island in Jamaica. Enjoy the tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. You will see the beautiful scenery of Negril.
Like a bird on a tree.
True Jamaican Vibes people, welcome back to the channel. Right now I am in the Negril area, guys, in Westmoreland, right after you pass the Rick's Cafe. I know a lot of people, they only come to the Rick's Cafe and never get to see behind that part. So guys, just sit down and enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. So big up yourself anyone that watch on me people. One love and one heart. Remember, but they are Negril, still a tour the road after you pass Rick's Cafe. Yeah man, because a lot of people only come to Rick's Cafe and never get the chance to go any further. So guys, just sit down, relax and take the tour. So you all can indicate where you're watching from. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends and family. Yeah man, just have some interaction and tell me what you think about this area, guys. So we're in Westmoreland, Negril area, Jamaica, guys. You know it's Jamaica nice. Yeah man, our beautiful island Jamaica. So if you wanna come spend some time in Jamaica, you know where to go, guys. Yeah man, you know where to go. So this is a Westmoreland tour, guys. So on your right, you have a place I'm calling them the Caves. Yeah man, I don't know if you all know that, if you've been there before. So if you've been there before, just leave your comment in the comment section and let me know all how about that area, what we can expect if we go to that area. Yeah man, on your left you have the lighthouse. No, on your right, guys, you have a lighthouse, guys. Sorry about that. Is it Jamaica beautiful, guys? Yeah man. So we're having some bumpy ride, guys. Your man, on your left you have a healing touch massage spa, guys, so you can check out the healing touch. But so far is not a good road condition, guys. As you can see, the road is very bad. Yeah man, bad road at Jamaica. On your right you have the Cliff Hotel. So if you want a place away from home, you can book the Cliff Hotel. So you can check it up online and look for the review and see what they said about it, but you still have to come and experience things for yourself. But seeing is believing, and knowing is also believing too, guys. So guys, Thank you all for watching the channel, guys. Thanks for the support. And look at our beautiful Negril, Westmoreland Parish, guys. As you see a sign there, land for sale, quarter-acre lot. The number is 398-2286. The number is 876-398-2286. Yeah man, so you can call a number there. Look like it's very close by in this area. Lot for sale, guys.